It's KJH Family and Fun.
Hi, it's me, KJ, the filmmaker slash artist, and today I decided to do baking today. So pretty much what I decided to do is I decided to make sugar cookies out of these cake box. Well, pretty much it's like these white cake box mix I'm making out of. So pretty much the ingredients I found is that I actually didn't find it on Pinterest, and I ended up hearing that you can actually make sugar cookies out of these cake box things. So it's kind of like easy to make. So pretty much the only thing you need is one box of cake mix or something like that, and then you need 1/3 cups of oil and 2 eggs, and also a silver pan and parchment paper I have over here. So here are the ingredients here and stuff. And over there, there's definitely the tray and the parchment paper. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna start baking them. So I'm just gonna start baking them right now. So right now I'm just gonna add all the ingredients. So all I'm gonna do is combine all these ingredients into one big bowl. So I'm just gonna pull out the white cake mix here and then pour it all into this big bowl. Alright. We're here in the bowl. So now we got cake mix in the bowl. And now we're gonna pour the oil into this bowl, and then we're gonna put the oil away. Since I got oil in, I'm gonna crack these 2 eggs and put them all in the bowl. And put them all in a bowl. Oh yeah, after I cook the eggs, I'm just gonna wash my hands because these eggs in my hand are becoming germs. Well, you gotta see that I have like all these recipe all in one bowl, so I'm gonna mix them all together and see what's happening next then. But I kind of see that all of this is completely fattening, all mixed into one bowl, even though I had to use these spoons to mix it all in. And what I got here is a tray, and I've also got these parchment papers. So what I'm going to do is then I'm going to pull the tray and parchment paper ready so that these things can just be cooking here. And right now I'm going to set the temperature to 375 degrees. So while this heats up, I'm just going to have to place these cookies into this tray over here. Okay, so now everything else is clearly out of the bowl, so you kind of see that I finally put these cookies on the tray. So you kind of see that these cookies have like these chocolate chips on them, so I decided to put 3 chocolate chips on each of them since I thought it might be unique or something like that, so I just come with other ideas. So now I'm going to finally put this in the oven over here. So you kind of see that the oven is kind of ready because it's like 375 degrees by now. And the directions said I had to put it in for 6 to 8 minutes. So for the first time I cooked these cookies was that I just cooked them down to these white cake mix with the funfetti things on, and it just takes a while to get them cooked. So I'm just going to maximize it to 14 minutes instead. And let's just bake these cookies then. While these cookies bake, I decided to throw away a commercial break for a while these cookies bake. Hey there viewers, are you having issues affording a long turn on that subscription button? Well, as a matter of fact, I already did install like 2 subscription accounts that are literally short-term subscriptions. So all you gotta do is hit the pink subscription button on my website, and then all you gotta do is hit the blue word that says subscription under category, and once you get there, you can finally find these 2 subscriptions. But there's only 2 short-term subscriptions as well as a long-term subscription that cost them like $10 per month. So one is probably the 2-day subscription that is like only costs 50 cents, and the other one is $3.50 on a 7-day subscription or a week subscription, either way. And it only lasts but for each of these subscriptions, it only lasts for like only a short term, since it's literally a short-term subscription. So I'm just gonna let you take a break for a while and hit the subscribe button so you can just see my full version of the videotape as well as the trailer version of the videotape. And I might have to continue on with this videotape because the videotape is about to end, and 2 is that the cookie is about to get done by now. Okay, so now you kind of see that these cookies are infinity done, and I'm carrying infinity 1 cookie in my hand. So I'm just gonna try this cookie and see what it tastes like. As a matter of fact, the cookie really does taste that good. And I guess I can finish up the rest of that cookie once I'm done talking. So I'm just gonna finish this videotape, and I might have to say, and I guess that's all I have in order to record this. And I might have to say, thanks for watching this. You can just subscribe to my first channel. You can just subscribe to this channel, including my other 2 channels, for free. And you can also go to my website and you can hit the pink subscribe button if you want to see the full version of the videotape as well as the trailer version I obviously had. And I might as well say thanks for watching. Make sure you give this videotape a thumbs up if you like the video, or if you find this baking recipes that helpful or something like that. But even if you need help, I can leave that in the description below so you will understand how to bake it. And I might as well say thanks for watching this. So make sure you give the artist and filmmaker a high five. So thanks for watching.